love. Teach me to love and forgive, my Lord. Let's love. Let's forgive. Love and forgive the same way the Master has done for me. How can I say I love the Lord if my heart is full, so full of anger? Look how I treat my brother and my neighbor. It took only one argument, so hard for me to understand. Sometimes I fail to show compassion, walking around still filled with anger. At night I fall upon my knees, praying, God, I love you, lead my way. But the next day, my brethren makes one mistake. Now I take on the role of God. Look at the state this world has become. Let us love and forgive, love each other as the Master did. Let us walk in His way, let His mercy shine on our souls. Let us love and forgive, in His grace and mercy we shall live. Let us love, yeah. That is the stain of His blood that has set me free, yeah, yeah. The blood of Jesus has the power to forgive. Come back to grace with open arms, He still waits. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let us love and forgive, love each other as the Master did. Let us walk in His way, let His mercy shine on our souls. Let us love and forgive, in His grace and mercy we shall live. His love and His way for eternity, showing the world how believers should be. We must realize as believers, Christianity is more than words. We have to follow His example in everything, in daily behavior, waking up every day with bitterness and grief, pretending we know the truth, still forgetting the meaning of the cross, the tree where He was nailed. Today we call Him Lord. My brethren, draw closer to Him, He still waits for you today. Love is stronger than hatred, and forgiveness breaks every chain. Let us love and forgive, love each other as the Master did. Let us walk in His way. Let His mercy shine on our souls. Let us love, yeah. In His grace and mercy we shall live. Yeah. Nailed upon a tree on Calvary, for me, for you, for all of us. He took the blame, He paid the cost. A sinless man, His name is Jesus. He cried out to His Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they do. Christ, you have set me free, you have forgiven me. Yes, yes, this is the proof of His love, the truth. Let us love, love each other as the Master did. Let us walk in His way. Let His mercy shine on our soul. Let us love, forgive, in His grace and mercy we shall live. His love and His way for eternity, showing the world how believers should be. Lord, cleanse my heart, take away anger, take away soul cries for your grace. Son of the Father, promised land